Imagine discovering a natural ingredient that has existed for thousands of years, one that could completely transform your weight loss journey. Best of all, it's easy to find and simple to use. Many cultures have relied on this secret for healthier living, and hardly anyone knows about it. Stick around until the end to learn the pink salt recipe that's winning over people looking to lose weight naturally. Himalayan pink salt has found its way into kitchens all over the world, and it's not by accident. Hand-harvested from mountain regions, this salt keeps its natural minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium that make a real difference for the body. Unlike regular table salt, which is chemically processed and loses most of its nutrients, pink salt holds onto its original value. That's why it's a much better choice for those seeking health and wellness. Choosing natural, less processed ingredients packed with minerals is a key step for anyone wanting a more balanced diet with real, everyday benefits. Each small change like this can lead to big transformations over time. Himalayan pink salt does far more than just season your food. Packed with essential minerals, it helps balance the body, supports healthy pH levels, and keeps muscles and nerves working as they should. One of its standout qualities is how it improves hydration, helping the body absorb and retain fluids more efficiently. This can be especially helpful for anyone dealing with bloating or water retention. Pink salt also boosts digestion by stimulating the production of gastric juices, making meals feel lighter and more satisfying. Across different cultures, it's used as part of cleansing and revitalizing practices, always with a focus on the body's natural balance. Adding this ingredient to your daily routine is a simple way to bring more energy and wellness into your life, and to support your metabolism, making the path to weight loss easier, healthier, and a lot more enjoyable. Pink salt can be a valuable ally on the weight loss journey for several reasons. It helps you feel fuller for longer, cutting down the urge to snack between meals. Plus, by supporting fluid balance, it reduces bloating and helps flush out excess water. Its mineral content boosts metabolism, making essential fat-burning processes work more smoothly. Of course, pink salt isn't a miracle cure, but it's a natural support for healthy habits. The real magic comes from combining it with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and regular movement. Smart choices and natural ingredients make weight loss more sustainable, enjoyable, and free from restrictive diets or radical solutions. To get the most from pink salt during your weight loss journey, one of the most popular methods is making pink salt water. It's easy to prepare and can be a simple part of your routine. Just add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, about a quarter teaspoon, to a large glass of filtered water, stirring until it dissolves completely. The best time to drink it is in the morning on an empty stomach, to boost hydration and kickstart your metabolism right at the start of your day. For even more benefits, add a few drops of lemon, slices of fresh ginger, or mint leaves for extra flavor and nutrients. The key is moderation. Never overdo the salt, as too much can be harmful. When used wisely and with a creative touch, this simple ritual can become a form of self-care, turning weight loss into a natural, light, and refreshing experience. Despite all the benefits, it's essential to use pink salt mindfully. Too much salt of any kind can lead to health issues, especially for those with high blood pressure, kidney problems, or specific medical conditions. That's why it's important to use small amounts and listen to your body's signals. People with special health conditions should always check with a healthcare professional before adding this to their routine. The goal is real health with balance and responsibility. When used in moderation, pink salt can be a great ally, but it should never replace healthy habits or medical treatments. True transformation comes from caring for the whole self. By using Himalayan pink salt in a balanced way, you can enjoy benefits beyond just flavor: boosted metabolism, better hydration, and real support for a healthier, lighter body. Small natural changes like this can open the door to a more vibrant, energetic life. Investing in self-care is a way to build well-being, health, and self-esteem every single day. If you found this helpful and it brought a little inspiration to your day, subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on natural health, home remedies, and wellness. Every video here is designed to support your journey toward a more balanced and happy life. Share your experiences in the comments and join this community that believes in the power of nature to transform health. Together, we're stronger,